I'm calling y'all out. Do better. Isn't that focusing? Focus! Mind you, y'all, this video is not at all sponsored. Apple is not sponsoring this video, though they should be. Somebody call Apple. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Francia, and I am back with another video. Today's video is all about a product I wish I had earlier to make my content journey so much easier. Funny story, I went to the Apple store today and just to browse for a compact MacBook, and while chatting with one of the employees about like what's the best option for vlogging, actually told me I didn't need a MacBook. He's like, we want your money, but you don't need it. Given how often I'm on the go, my current process right now is quite lengthy. So I film on my camera, transfer the footage from my SD card to my laptop, and it takes me like 2 to 5 hours to upload it to Dropbox before I can edit and upload to YouTube. And I needed to simplify that process because then I procrastinate when it's time to make new content, and I don't want to be that girly. Though I can be very lazy when it comes to being on top of my content, and it's something that I'm actively working on, I try to find ways that I can help myself. So I'm helping me help me, basically. Alright, y'all, let's get into it. I'll be unboxing this product for the first time, and I'll be using my iPad since that's what I mainly edit on. Mind you, I have no clue how or if this will work, but at least I have a warranty. Hopefully, I won't have to use it. Here we are. Okay, so I got this, and I also got a charger as well because I needed a new charger that charges extra fast. And one thing about Apple, it's like every year, every product that they release, they're taking one thing out of the box is the last one that they previously used to give you. Like when you used to buy chargers from Apple, you would buy the charger, you'll get the SD cord, crap, you would even get some stickers. I don't know, you would get so much other things. Now in 2024, this is all I got. This is all I got beside the, the little box that they put the packaging on. That is it. And I was like, okay, I got this charger, and it was, how much was it? It was like $25, y'all. And I was like, all right, I got me a charger, boom, not too on the expensive side. Nice, I know that I got a charger and it's gonna be fast, and you know what I mean. And then I got home, opened the box, and I'm like, where's the cord? Actually, I didn't get home, I was out, because I bought this. Yeah, I was out. I was in the mall. So I'm like, okay, let me just find a restaurant or something so that I can charge my phone because it was dying. Y'all, no cord. No USB cord. I was like, there's no way I just spent $25. 25 and this is equivalent to 19 pounds UK. There's no way that I spent 19 pounds on a charger port, on a whatever this is, and there's no USB port, no USB cord. So I had to go on and I had to buy a whole other USB cord that was 20 pounds because I was in the mall, and it's not like I was gonna go on Amazon and get it shipped to me right there and then. I was out, so I had to improvise and I had to sacrifice. But Apple, I'm calling y'all out. Do better. Do better, man. Please. When people say bring back how you used to be. But one thing that's constant in this life is change. I digress. Here is the product, y'all. A few things that they claim for this product is that it supports the SD card, a micro SD as well, 4K HDMI, and charge your devices. Now, how do you open this? Getting fancy with this. So this is what it looks like. Is that upside down? So that's this. Okay. So it looks like this is predominantly for a device like a iPad or a MacBook. Let's see what this notepad says, y'all, before I start getting into some things. And this is what I don't read these things. Nothing that I want to know is on here. Nothing that I want to know. Okay, cool. Sorry. Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna log into my iPad now. Let's do that. And I'm gonna plug this in. And then... So you'll put your SD card in here. Why is it not focusing? Focus! Focus! So you put your SD card in here, your micro SD card in here. One of those ports in there. This looks like it charges your phone as well, this piece right here. You can plug your phone in. And then this, can you see that properly? I don't know why this isn't focusing, y'all. You put your HDMI. If you have an HDMI cable, you can put that in there. That is very useful, to be honest. This is compact and nice. So you mean to tell me, if I'm out or if I'm at uni, I can just get an HDMI cable, put this in. Because you know, sometimes when you go to a library or a cafe, you wanna use two screens. You want to use your laptop and you want to use your whatever iPad or tablet that you have. But I was like, oh, maybe I could quickly do something, you know, before I head somewhere. Maybe I could quickly do something using a public computer. And I was like, crap, it would be easier for me to use two screens as opposed to just using it on my iPad, because then they have a mouse, they have a big monitor, and then they didn't have a setup where they had an HDMI cable. So it was like, crap, couldn't do that. But this is nice and compact and sleek. Mind you, y'all, I need to advise y'all, this video is not at all sponsored. Apple is not sponsoring this video, though they should be. Somebody call Apple. But it's not sponsored, and I really think that this is gonna change my life. This is all based on what that man told me in the Apple store. I'm just going by what he said because I haven't tried it. I haven't seen anyone use it. And yeah, so it's plugged in. Where's my pencil, child? I don't know where the pencil is. Okay. Hold on. Technical difficulties! It's plugged in, you guys. Alright. And I'm gonna insert my SD card here. Okay. I don't see anything pop. Nothing popped up. So what does that mean? Okay. So I'm gonna go to Files. Am I doing this right? Yeah.
6 hours later.
Wait, I saw something. Favorites? Is it in downloads? Ah, it's untitled. It's untitled. Okay, I need. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all. So as I plug it in, I claim that I never did it before. I didn't even know what I was looking at, so I had to keep putting the SD card in and taking it out to see what changes on my screen. And I finally figured out what change is called Untitled. So I'm clicking on that, and everything that's on that SD card is showing up. Oh my gosh! Yo! This is everything that's on that SD card, because I didn't show you guys the front of it, but it says music, and you can see all of this goes back to 2021, 2016, 2013. Look at my music, look at my playlist, y'all. Let's judge me. We have Young Blue from 2021. Okay, I still like Young Blue. We got Wizkid, True Love, okay, Essence, some Dexter Daps. We got Mariah Carey, we belong together. Hold to Michaelino when times get rough. Who's gonna come to me when the sun comes up? Who's gonna take your place, baby? Ain't nobody out better. Oh, baby, baby, we belong together. Always. Somebody get me a sign me up. Somebody come sign me. Come sign these vocals. Y'all don't know what y'all missing out. Okay, so we got some Trace songs. We got some Tusi. We got Jacure. Okay. Tanya said these streets don't love you like I do. You need to know that we wanna keep your woman loving you, and I need to show that the love we have, but it takes so much effort to build, and you about to blow that. You're just like a Play-Doh jersey, you're about to get throwback. That was my jam. No word for it. We got some Shansia in here, Popcorn. I love me some Popcorn. Pop Smoke, R.I.P. We have Nikki. Oh my gosh, look at Nikki. If y'all can't already tell, I was Nikki obsessed. Y'all, I love this woman so much. I still do to this day. Just been to a concert the other day and it was one of the best nights of my life. I have to edit that vlog so you guys can see my experience. Mindless behavior. Anybody watching this go all the way back? Like, are you an OG like me? Like, do any of you watching this video know about mindless behavior? Tell me. Oh, nah. I had a good playlist and still do some Janae Aiko from what, 2021. Jaded. We love Jaded. Some Her. Paradise. Oh, yeah. 6ix9ine. Love it. Like, on a scale of 1 to 10, I would still listen to all of these songs to this day and then go back to 2013, y'all. So I'd say that playlist is 10 out of 10. So anyways, I went off track there for a second. Back to the video, the reason for this video. So it looks like if I put my SD card in here, I can, so let's try to take, what can we do here? I can play it and I can save it to files and I can save it to my, okay, I can save it to one of my folders. Nice. And then I can go on edit from there. Oh my gosh, this is life-changing. OMG. This is life-changing, you guys. Honestly, this it's giving me goosebumps of how shocked that I am. Mind you, I was about to spend a whole 1,200 pounds, which is equivalent to like $1,700 on a MacBook, simply because I wanted something more small and more compact, because this is the size of my iPad, y'all. Right? And I wanted something just like that, but on the go, and if I had to sacrifice not using my iPad, then I was fine with it, because I didn't know something like this existed. Honestly speaking, I didn't know. And I am so grateful, y'all. Y'all need to learn to open your mouths, because me being me is how I found this. Me being me is how this has changed my life, because I'm always asking somebody what their opinion is on something. Like, whenever I go to a store, I'm like, what do you think of this? Have you ever used this? Do you think it's good for this X, Y, and Z? That's me. That's just who I am. And it has its pros and it has its cons, because doing that, I became very indecisive. But sometimes I've learned to create a balance, to ask for an opinion based on, what I want, and evaluate that to see if that's going to change my life or not, and if it's going to benefit me in the long run. And this, I am glad I listened to myself. And I'm glad I listened to that damn Apple employee. I probably should have taken his name down to leave a review, because he was like, if it doesn't work for any reason, you can come back and let us know. And y'all, oh my gosh. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. And you better be there, or else we're gonna have some problems. We're gonna have some problems. We're gonna have some problems. Just kidding. Or am I?